Hi there, and welcome back to Outside the Box. Today I'm going to show you how I draw cartoon characters. Now keep in mind that as you watch this video and are trying it out on your own, don't get discouraged if it doesn't look exactly like mine. Everyone has a different style. So without further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be using the head of this little space cadet to help us with our demonstration. First, I started with a circle and a line to help me imagine where the middle of the face should be. Depending on where this line is will determine both the dimensions of the face and where the head will be pointing towards. Next, I make the jawline, neck, and shoulders. Once I have the outline of the head, I begin to work on the face. I make a second line to help me know how big I should make the eyes before working on the nose, eyes, eyebrows, mouth, and ears. When it comes to the ears, I try to make the size of it between the middle or bottom of the nose to the top of the eyes. Lastly, I illustrate the clothes, hair, and details in the eyes and ears before erasing my guidelines. Once I'm done and happy with my picture, I take an image and import it to an app. I use this app to color and shade in the image, making it have a more clean finish. Well, that's all for today. See you next time on Outside the Box.